Hello, today I would like to introducing our wireless audio extender over CAT5. And here for the wireless audio we're using the Bluetooth 4.2 technology to build in this amplifier. And there are some features for this one. And first of all, we have the Bluetooth built-in, right? Bluetooth audio built-in, and the second we have aux-in, which is the external audio, and third one, this one can do the loop out cascade. For example, if say this is the floor 1 and that is the floor 2, if you want to pass your audio from floor 1 to floor 2, or if you want to share the music from floor 1 to floor 2, then you can just using this machine, our product, to do the cascade. And for the cascade, you can just plug into your CAT5 cable, right? And here is the IR, and the third one is the IR injector, which means that you can connect our IR receiver to control the function, control the volume up, volume down, mute, and the turn on off this amplifier. Okay, let's do the demo right now. Okay, first of all, I just do the standalone here. Okay, after setting up this device, then you can just using your smartphone to looking for the Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth name for this one, the Bluetooth name called ID called A-1448A right? Here they are. So which means I connect the Bluetooth already. So then we just play the music. That's from beginning, okay? And here is the remote control, and this is IR receiver. Wait, let me see. Then just turn the control the volume, mute, right? And the volume up. Okay, so this is the first feature, okay? Then second, how about I using the second feature is let's do the external audio to see what's going on, okay? So in this demo, I using the Alexa, or maybe you can using the Wi-Fi audio receiver, okay? So here I will say, Alexa, give me a joke, please.
If you ever get lost in a corn maze, just follow your ears.
So okay. So this is the external audio in, okay? And okay, let's back to our Bluetooth. And let's see. How about right now? I do a demo for. I want to extend my audio from first floor to second floor here. So the simple way is I just connecting the CAT5 cable, okay? CAT5 cable here and CAT5 cable there, and let's do the demo. And let me set up first, okay? Okay, after setup, I just play my music here. Okay, this is the first floor, and I mute the music from first floor, and I turn volume up for the second floor. So this is the second floor. And right now, how about synchronize the audio? Here, see, and I mute the second floor, and I mute the first floor. So I think that's it for a demo. So same thing if you say how about I want to connect to the third floor, fourth floor, or like say broadcasting by using CAT5. That's easy. You just do the cascade, right? So here that line in connect to a line out via K5, K6, or K7 cable, okay? To another one, line out to the other line in, and then line out to another, and here line out to another line in. So that will be solve your problem, okay? And the last one is the IR learner. For IR learner, maybe you can just see your user menu to read the user menu. Otherwise, it will be take over like say 1 more minute. Wow, that's it. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Yes. Why there's a IR learner function is because if say if in case you lose your remote control, then you can using your own remote control to do a learner. Okay, let me show you in the next chapter. Thank you. Bye bye. And then remember, the item for this one, the key number for this one is called 1448A. L for Apple, okay? 1448A. That's it. Thank you. Bye.